Let's see if you can make it to the vault.
Come on, I ain't that
What?
rusty.
How do you back up?
Head. Get into cover and aim down sight to get a clear shot.
Kill the sniper! Took out that sniper!
Shoot out the window and climb inside.
Yeah, well, it's kind of. How do you... Oh my god! Come on. Oh, was it not broke? What the fuck? Can I take my mask off? Nope. Fuck. God damn it.
Is magnetically sealed.
I was doing none.
You need to
Come
take
on,
out the
doing
power
none.
before.
You calm.
Be the first person I kill.
Us.
Can I do this? Don't shoot. God. Just die. How is it? Dude, there's no way this takes this long to kill somebody.
Sending file with the drop
I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna restart. I'm gonna keep doing it. Yeah, this makes sense, right? What is like 100 hits now? Dude, how tough is this dude? You not melee killing this game? Alright, see you, make it.
I'm tracking another assault team.
That
They'll
was
be there
not
in
a
about 30
civilian.
seconds.
Fuck?
How was the meatballs? Not as good as one would think. They weren't bad. They weren't bad. Kirrowz, what are your thoughts on meatballs? I ordered a family pack of meatballs, and surprisingly, they did not fill me up at all.
I say you're gonna hate me. I've never had meatballs. Not one bit.
You've never had a meatball
I have
in
not.
your entire life.
Nope.
Me neither? Wait, is it like a weird thing for people to eat meatballs? You guys are fucking with me.
I'm trying. You're taking so long.
What do you mean? My rice
You're
has
taking
been
so
cooked.
long.
It's not my fault that fucking dickball is walking through here. You have nobody walking in front of you. I have all these guests walking through the
They know
kitchen,
better.
Which
They
doesn't
know
even
better.
make sense. They know better. What are you saying? You beat the customers?
Maybe.
Huh?
They'll learn. They'll learn.
Oh, what?
They'll get
You
out the
can't
way.
just say that. You can't just say that. This is a Twitch stream, my friend. Twitch is very fragile. You can't be talking about violence like that.
That's not violence. That's discipline.
You guys are just chilling by the. There's so much ice.
Yeah, that's good.
Ice. That was so awful.
What?
Don't ask.
Oh, yeah, there's snow bunnies now.
Hey, what about slaw bunnies?
What?
Slaw bunnies. SLAW.
Oh.
Yeah, slaw bunnies nuts.
What? How could you? Seems like the nights are super fast.
Fuck off, you asshole.
Pedo will have answers, but we have to.
I'm actually not trying to look at her ass. I'm just trying
He
to
was last seen.
look. The fuck is wrong? What am I doing? Where am I going? You get shot. Right, hit. Stuck. You stuck. Look at this. Blood. Look at this. Jesus Christ. What do I... The fuck? This is new. Oh, I don't have it yet. Second. Oh. I'm playing this. Ding, ding, ding. How do you reload a fucking wand?
Wish and flick.
Oh, there's somebody in there. That's not good. Stab. Oh, there's a lot. Get off. Get off. No, no. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I'm actually dead. That's crazy. Are you fucking... Run, damn it. I'm hitting a troll. Oh, God. Well... Eat the dead. Okay, eat.
Just shot us a fellow and took his boots. Customized my rifle like it's 1962.
I'm hitting E. Why isn't it working? I'm literally hitting E. Holding E. I forgot. Wow. This is... Main menu.
Why are you good at this? Audacious, buttery, bunger, back, baby, bird.
Oh, God.
Boundless, beyond burger.
Fuck off. Fuck off me. You think I am? Oh. Get back in the kitchen, bitch. Alright. It's 1900. I don't know what that means. What time is that? That's like 9 o'clock? Or something? No, not 9 o'clock. It's... Hold on. Give me a second. I should know this. That's 8 o'clock? Or 7 o'clock? I think it's 7. Don't make fun of me.
Where is it?
Where are you?
Where are you? And I'm so sorry. Question.
What's up?
Stay there.
I can't. I gotta keep moving.
Do you see something that's wrong?
Are you still able to play?
Somehow. And I even do damage and they don't target me at all. I finally... Oh!
That's good. Oh my god, there's so many of them. This cannon effect looks pretty good. What the fuck is that? Did I... Okay, I can't... Oh yeah, I can't. Okay. Legendary, what is going on? I don't have it set on the legendaries. Do I get a legendary every time? No, I didn't, so I just got lucky. What the fuck is that? I'm just trying to run. What is going on? What is going on? What is that? I'm so confused. Is that Toad? I don't know how. I'm dead. I don't...
What are you? They're not invisible at low health. You think that I, the prince of all, my impressions suck?
I don't even try to do it, for instance. I don't know where I stand. I can't tell if I'm lagging or not.
But the crumb of pussy, please.
I'm about to blast. Dude, we're gaining health. I'm about to die, I'm about to die, I'm about to die, I'm about to die. Are you fucking defaulting?
Now I'm Super Saiyan 2. Watch this.
Okay, Super Saiyan 2.
I'm having that speech where I sacrifice myself. Oh no, my health! Stop! 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 Well, I wish I knew. Goodbye,
That's
Goku.
not good.
Goodbye, Bulma. I just killed myself to do 2 damage.
Yeah, I'm gonna die real fast. I don't think I can do this. Yeah, what the fuck? Okay. Okay. Come on. Alright, come on. I know you're gonna do your thing. Oh, I wasn't expecting it from there. They really made it where spirits are like not as good anymore. That's cool. That's a hole. There's a fucking bear. I got it, I got it. Oh. What, that killed me? Yes.
Hello everyone, it is...
Skeleton. What are you doing?
Holy shit!
Shoot. Oh god, let him go. Oh. What is that? No. Why is that here? I'm just gonna run past it. Can it? It can't move. I will use all my arrows here. I really don't care. Actually, I might care. Can it? Yep, alright, never mind. No items? Really? Yeet. I shouldn't have jumped down like that.